How can you use psychology to stick to a budget? The mere fact that you're intrigued by this question speaks to your awareness. A budget, much like a diet or workout plan, is relatively straightforward to establish, but sticking to it is what really matters. Let's break down 3 simple things you can do to ensure you stay consistent with your budget. First, setting goals. Alongside creating your budget, you should set goals for your money. Setting goals might sound like a broken record, and you might be sitting there wondering how to even go about it or what types of goals to set. No worries, I've got you covered. Check out the link in the description for my video on Dave Ramsey's Baby Steps. Following the baby steps aligns perfectly with psychological principles, providing you with realistic and motivating milestones to follow. Setting up a zero-based budget, the type of budget I recommend, and following it is the perfect start. But you must have a plan for your savings, which is where the baby steps come into play. Kickstarting your journey by laying out the baby steps is a powerful step because it reinforces your sense of control. It serves as a reminder that you dictate where your money goes. Social scientists highlight autonomy as a crucial factor in sustaining motivation. In my experience working with clients, mapping out these baby steps has proven to be incredibly beneficial as it allows them to see the bigger financial picture, and all of this increases the chances you will stick to your budget. Realistic budget amounts. Now let's discuss setting realistic amounts for different line items within your budget. You're prepared to dive into crafting your zero-based budget and plotting out your baby steps. You begin detailing your budget line items like mortgage or rent, car payments, and debt repayments. Simple enough since those amounts are fixed. But consider the challenge of determining realistic figures for groceries, entertainment, saving for car repairs, gifts, kids' activities, and more. Striking the balance between realism and discipline is the key. Set the amounts too low, and if you overshoot, discouragement might set in, leading you to quit. Conversely, if set too high, you risk not allocating enough towards your baby steps. Keep in mind, the initial months are about trial and error, especially if tracking expenses is a new venture. It takes practice, but with time, you'll refine it into a well-honed skill, bolstering your confidence and ensuring the habit endures. Tracking your spending. Numerous methods exist for tracking your monthly spending. Apps, spreadsheets, pencil and paper, even envelopes filled with cash for each line item. It's all about personal preference. What truly matters is the consistent tracking of your expenses. Why does this hold psychological significance? Simply put, tracking allows you to gauge whether you're staying within your budget, identify necessary adjustments, and course correct. You'll discover line items where you underspend and can make informed adjustments. All of these actions contribute to making you a more competent budgeter. Proving to yourself that you can excel in this endeavor breeds motivation. Constant reminders of your proficiency naturally fuel sustained motivation. Sticking to your budget means you will be sticking to your baby steps, and achieving each baby step becomes additional proof of your capabilities, carrying on a positive cycle of success. There you have it, 3 key principles which can drastically increase your chances of sticking to your budget and baby steps. Share your thoughts in the comments, and remember, a link for a 15-minute free chat is in the description in case you want to connect one-on-one. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and share. Thanks.